I'm Dhwani Gada. About the workshop, it was really good, and I can say that the way I came here, I wouldn't be going as it is. I have really taken lots of in my bag and a whole big transformation together with me. It's it's not like the way I came. I was seeing design as the perspective for designing and advertisements that I had was literally something else only, and here after coming here it was a different perspective altogether. It's not design is I got to know that designing is not only about what you are portraying or showing, it's about your life, the way you live, the way you are doing whatever you're doing, and it's what you showing to others and giving to others. This is what actually I learned from Uday sir also. The case studies that he's shown and the historical things that he said were literally like mind-blowing and eye-opening for me. I haven't seen history in that perspective at all in my life. So this was something really a change, I could say, not only in history but the way you perceive history in designing also. If you know this thing, you are gonna create miracles. That's what I can say.